Yes, we're going again, people. Don't know where they are again, man. In the kitchen, but I don't know cooking thing today, you see me? Yeah, man, just a quick little video. Cause in a way there, we just feel, like the body weak out and thing. And yeah, man, me just want, do some blend up, and find the strength and all kind of thing, So, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna blend up some single Bible with some garlic, some ginger, and some lime with some spirulina as well. Yeah, so alright, journey with this. So yeah, people, as we say, you don't know, single Bible, lime, garlic, and ginger. Spirulina. Oh yes, yeah. So you don't know the spirulina, I hate that. You don't know. You not nice it up. All kind of vitamins, all kind of things are good for you. You see me? So yeah, man, this I think I'm gonna go blend it up, So yeah, on a journey now. As me say, you don't know we're gonna cut up them, yeah. So take off a fat piece of ginger, yeah. Now peel it and then wash it. So you don't even get a bag for this too, But anyway, I'll see you again. Yeah, man, so now I do this for about the next 7 days. Yeah, every day just wake up. I'm just come back from basketball too still, So you see me? Yeah, man. So as me say, I'm gonna do it for the next 7 days, people. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna find a June plum them. So I'm gonna look out for that too. Lord God, you see me? I don't know, carrot juice, June plum juice, everything galore, man. You see it? Yeah, man. So as me say, you see it? Don't peel it. Now go wash it off now and drop it in our bottle and blend them out. So you know, see it. It's one fat piece of ginger too, think I cut off too much to raw people. But yeah, the more that dose I kind of chunk. I don't know what I want, man. From where my belly all just hurt me and everything. The foolishness are going inside there, so just want to clean him out and see what I want. You don't know the line I wash him off. You know, man. It's a simple thing, you see, just squeeze out some of them and I eat. You know? Yeah, take out some of the lime them and I eat too. So that done. Garlic, you're not gonna really want wally still. You just want about 2 or 3 cloves. You see it? Yeah. Yeah, man, about 2 or 3. Yeah, man. So you don't know garlic, peel it, take off the sitting with it on the outside, Now I'm really impressed with the shooting I'm going with today. You know what I mean? It was a little training session, but yeah, I'm really impressed with myself, man. God no. Yeah, peeps, make sure you stay tuned, because me and one of my brethren should link up and I go do some rock climbing thing, you see me? So stay tuned for that one there. You don't know that one that I got shot. Drop him in. Just cut him up fine. You don't see it? Drop him in. Yeah. So we're ready for now the big bad single Bible. You can see it when I spoil still, you see it? Yeah, you can see it. So what am I going to do now? Cut off the part here, and just ox it out of this, you see me? Yeah. Alright, you have 2 ways you can do it. You can do it so, and just keep the knife like upwards. Nearly cut my finger to, Nearly cut out my finger to Rasta face. You can see it when I spoil it, just drop him in, so you have a look at extra part them around here, so you can just boom. I know say you can use this to people and make soap. Yeah, man, more and try that too. So yeah, peeps, now drop in spirulina now. I know, say it's like a powder kind of thing, you know what I mean? But it's really, really good for your people. So if you can't do that, you know what I mean? No matter that. Don't put all it though, because it will change the whole taste of the thing. All we left now, I just feel water. Is it pure spring water, whatever water you want to use? Just drop him in. Yeah man. Right up to the top man. Is it? Alright. So what we are gonna do now? Yeah, like that no peeps, you see me? So what am I gonna do now? This. Oh wow. There we go. So yeah peeps, what am I gonna do now? I throw the whole of this in a bottle or so and just, you know what I mean, sip it up and thing. So yeah. Right. So yeah peeps, right, that's the now still as me say, manners and respect, when you follow the thing.